So you donked up and you framed out your garage door opening bigger than the door. I framed out my garage door opening at the actual size of the door. So this door is 14 by 14, so I framed it out at 14 by 14. That's not right. When you're doing these standard size doors, you need to come out another 1.5 inches. So basically a 2 by 4 width to get your proper dimension. And that will cover up this ugly steel that you see here. We're gonna make this look nice. So while this fancy garage door seal would cover up a lot of that steel bracket, we want to make sure you can't see any of that ugly bracket. Let me show you our solution. So at Lowe's, you can purchase PVC boards in white that would match your trim quite nicely. Now these boards are 3/4 thick, and you can get them in various other widths. Now this 16-foot long board cost me $35. So I've had to purchase 6 of these to do this job here. Now we're using PVC boards because they are very resistant to weather. And it was $30 for a pack of these white screws. These PVC boards have a nice fake wood grain. We're just using a regular skill saw to cut this stuff. I got these 2 boards sandwiched together like this, lined up at the edge. And what I'm doing is pre-drilling these holes. I'm gonna go ahead and install a couple of screws that don't penetrate through to the other side, just to hold these 2 together as we install them. With all our screws started, we're ready to throw it up there. So we got our top 2 pieces on. We're getting ready to do the side. Now on the side here, we're gonna install these one at a time. And now that we got those installed, we can install our side seals. And our steel bracket is covered up nicely. After you clean your handprints off of this, all the people that come visit will compliment you on your exquisite trim work, but me and you will know the truth. I hope this video helps some other non-framers out there. We'll catch you guys in the next video.
Keep thinking.